guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I'm showing you inside my home for our home spring tour, so let's go inside. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started right here in my entry. So I'm one of those houses that we don't really have one, so I just kind of have to make one up because if you notice, like as soon as the door opens, there isn't much room for a table. So I did pick this up from Hobby Lobby, and at least when guests come, they can hang their jackets, they can hang their purses, and this is screwed into studs so it won't like rip out of the wall. And then I found this at Home Goods, but I do have it linked in my Amazon store. For spring, I like to add a lot of touches of greens because I'm not big into color and I'm not big into like spring decor. So I like to just add life into the house. And when I say life, I mean fake plants because I cannot keep them alive. So this is my entry. And then as you walk in, you'll head over here into our living room. And we get tons of questions about our sectional. This is from Ashley Furniture, and I will have that link down below in my description box. And then the rug is another thing that we get questioned a lot about, and it is from Home Goods. And I will try to link one as close to this as possible in my Amazon store. And then this tray is from Home Goods. My candlesticks are from Goodwill. My coasters are from the Dollar Tree. And then this little green plant I love. I found it at Home Goods for $14.99, but it's like concrete, so I really like it. And then my table I actually found off Facebook Marketplace. I get a ton of questions about it. It was only $35. And then if you haven't been following any of my recent posts, we did just paint it. And I will link the paint color down below in the description box. But if you can tell, if you are a fairly new subscriber, you may not, but I had pink in here and I've taken it out. We did pink around Valentine's Day, and then I had it through spring, but like I said, we've made a ton of changes. So we're kind of adding in this blue gray and I'm loving it. And then I'm gonna walk you over here, kind of back to the same area. I get a lot of questions about our fireplace. We got this from Big Lots probably 5 years ago, and it did have like a fake insert in, and we took that out. And then we built this like wood barrier back there, and I painted the whole thing cream. So like this whole part's always been this color, but this used to be like stone, so it was like gray. But that's all we did. And then I added in, this is real wood to make it look a little bit more real, but this is just, you know, a floating piece. We could move it out. Always get questions about that. And then over here is one of my new pieces. I could never figure this spot out. You guys always loved the gray chair. I didn't. When I would put tables, I tried to make this like an entryway table. It just really competed here with the fireplace. So I went into Ross and found this for, it was like 99 bucks. And then all the pillows are from Ross as well. And what's nice is this opens up for storage, which is always good if you guys have a small house, or even if you have a big house that doesn't have a ton of storage. Buy pieces that have like multi-purpose, so somebody could sit here, it's pretty decor, and I can cram all of our blankets in there that I like to hoard. Now I'm going to take you into my beauty room. Okay, there's not a ton of changes in here. Now, if you haven't watched since like my last home tour, I did get a new vanity, and this is all IKEA. These are called the Alex drawers, and then this top comes in all different sizes. This is actually the smallest one, but if you want to fit a normal size chair down here, I would suggest getting a longer tabletop just because I've already had this for a long time. I have this in my Amazon store, but it's like the only thing that fits down there. But for my vanity, it works great, has lots of storage. I get a lot of questions about my jewelry holders. These are from Home Goods, but I have them linked in my Amazon store as well, and it just holds all my bracelets. I try to organize them by color. They're all rustic cuffs. I always get asked. I'll leave that link down below. It's a local lady here to our city. This is my wedding dress. And then over here is my desk. It's the same desk. I have spray painted it silver. It used to be black, so if you haven't been around for a while. And then my office chair is in my Amazon store as well. My lamps, my marble lamps, they're faux, but I always get a ton of questions about those. I picked those up from a flea market on the side of the road. So I did find some similar to them, and I put them in my Amazon store, but that's where I got it. And then over here is my floor length mirror. This down here is my 100K giveaway if you guys want to subscribe, because I will be giving away what is inside of that bag. And then this is my closet. So my husband keeps the master closet for himself, and I keep this one in here. I love having like a whole glam room. I work in here, I get ready in here, I get dressed in here, and so this is my space. And then over here I went ahead and added a new piece. I had been looking for like a long skinny piece to fit this wall, and when I found that other piece from Ross, the gray one, I walked in and found this one, and I want to say we got it for like $42. And what's really cool about this piece is if you have to travel, or if you like set up places or have a store, these end pieces fold in and it like folds down flat for you to carry. So once again, this is my lamp, this is from Ross, and this is from Ross. Now I'm going to take you into a new room. It used to be our guest bedroom, but we've kind of changed things up, so let's head that way. Okay, welcome to our new like playroom lounge area. This has been our guest bedroom. Well, originally this was the homeschool room, and that room over there was the guest bedroom. And then we took the homeschool room away and made this our guest bedroom. I loved it. It was beautiful, but it got used maybe once or twice a year, and finally it just seemed like a waste. Like I said, I do all my editing over there, so it just seemed right to have Savannah's like play space in here. That's why I had to get that new gray piece. I moved my gray matching chairs in here. I do have these linked in my Amazon store, but I actually found these at a garage sale, and I got them for 40 bucks for the set, so 20 bucks each. You just cannot beat that. I love them. The pillows are from Ross. The lamp is from a garage sale. This picture used to say, I'm trying to think, oh, it said, be our guest. But originally, this is just a framed picture from Ross, and it was actually going the other way, and it gave like house rules. I totally just painted this and put our own phrase on it. So when you see like big frames or ugly pictures like garage sales, just think outside the box. You can totally paint it white. I've painted it with chalkboard paint before and used white paint if you want to do that. Over here, if you want to see, it's just Savannah's organized all her American Girl dolls, and I have a nice spot in here. We have the TV, and this is where all the pink went, so that's why there's no more pink like in my living room, and I'll show you my dining room here in a second. But it's just fun. We love it. It's gotten used so much more, so we're so happy with the change. My daughter actually got this fine. We were visiting a family member that lives in an apartment, and she sold this desk next to a dumpster, so this was free. And it was originally like black with like silver poles, and she totally asked if we could take it and spray paint it. So we cleaned it up, I sanded it, took silver paint. This is actually one of my old dining room chairs. We have extras of them, so I spray painted it silver. And now she has her own little desk area because she does do homeschool and she does math on the computer, so she has loved having this space, and it works so much better for us. Now I'm going to take you into her bedroom. No, I'm not. I'm going to go ahead and stop here. I forgot we haven't showed you guys the guest bathroom. So I've also added some pink in here just for fun for spring. I like to decorate our guest bathroom just for when visitors come over. So I have like a Hello Spring sign. I have this cute pink bunny that I got from, this was Home Goods for $5.99. And then I want to thank Nancy. She sent me the cutest hand towels. Not only are they gray and white, but they have the touch of the pink bunny, so I absolutely love that out in here. It just makes it nice and festive. Like I said, this is our guest bathroom, so it's nothing special, but we did add a pink rug. It's just nice and fun, and right here close to our living room. Now we'll head into Savannah's bedroom. Okay, this is Savannah's room. She has changed it recently, so if you're like behind on her videos, she totally switched to JoJo, which we love. And this is also our old guest bedroom bed, so it is a little bit bigger. This is a queen, and her other one was a full, but it is so much nicer and so much softer. And it doesn't matter that it takes up the majority of the room because now all her toys are in the playroom, and so she doesn't play in here. She basically sleeps and gets ready, and that's about it. She does have her own bathroom, like full bathroom over here. This is one of the reasons we absolutely love this house, is her bedroom's over here on the side with ours, and she has her own space, so our guest bathroom stays clean. I don't know what it is with kids with like toothpaste and hand towels. It drives me crazy. But if guests come over and her bathroom is dirty, it is just fine. So yes, this is her space. This is her little JoJo bow she created. We were hanging up her bows and didn't have a bow holder, so I just took burlap from making wreaths and cut it in half and just pushed them into the wall and hung them on there. And it was just a nice fun display, and then she added a little JoJo sign. And now we're gonna head back and I'll take you into the laundry room. This is our laundry room. It's nothing special. It's not huge, but I'm okay with that. I don't like spending time in here. I like to get in and get out. Our builder was great and gave us tons of storage, so we just have everything we need can store in here. This is where like medicines, oils, this is like extra cleaning supplies. All my mops and everything are over here. And then we also have this nice little area just for storage. So this is like our junk drawer where we keep things. And basically I keep a trash can, and this is all of Tiger's supplies that he needs. And then we do have a rack, and this is where I keep overflow of extra paper products, but it's not huge, it's pretty, it definitely serves the purpose that it needs to. And now I'm going to take you around the corner into our master bedroom. This is a room that hasn't changed too much. We did get a new comforter recently. If you weren't following us, I get a ton of questions about this. It's off Zulily, and I will link that down below. If it says out of stock or not selling now, keep checking. It does always seem to come back. We love it. It is soft. It is fluffy. It is so hard to get out of. All my pillows are from Ross. My lamps are from Ross. My curtains are from Target. And then my bed, we get asked about probably 5 times a day. It is off Amazon. It is super affordable. Ours is a size king. I always have that in my Amazon store. And then the side tables I got off Facebook Marketplace, and they were like that bronzy color. And I just spray painted them silver. So that's basically the best way to go. Find pieces, spray paint them, and they're like brand new again. Back here is our master bathroom. If you want to see that, just go watch a cleaning video. This is my husband's master closet that he keeps. Once again, if you want to see in there, there's all sorts of videos. I also have like master bedroom home tours, beauty room home tours. If you want to see like inside my drawers, I do go deeper into those videos. This is a dresser we bought off Craigslist, and it was a whopping $35. Already painted, already had the hardware. All we had to do was move it in. So I love finding deals like that. Now let's head into my kitchen and dining room. Okay, now we're in my dining room, and once again you can see the pink is gone because Savannah took it for her playroom, but we're loving this like blue-gray feeling. I don't know if it's coming across on the screen, but these are from Amazon, and all of the curtains in our house are pretty much from Amazon, and they are like the light blocking out, and they do work really well, even these light shade ones. My table was made from my dad, so I can't link that. These chairs are from TJ Maxx, and I want to say they were right around 40 bucks each. The green plants I just found from Ross probably 2 or 3 weeks ago. They were $9.99. Pillows are from Ross. Ross is the best way to get pillows. Pillows are super expensive unless you're at Ross, and they get great ones. My shutters were from a thrift store in Texas. And then my chandelier has actually been passed down from the family. I do have one linked, but you guys ask me about this one all the time. This was in Chase's house growing up. And then over here I added a coffee bar area. I do not drink coffee, but my husband does, and I just loved seeing these little areas on Pinterest. Plus, when we do have company over, we're typically like cramped in the kitchen trying to cook breakfast and make coffee. At least this kind of like spreads my coffee out. This is Ray Dunn mugs that I got addicted to, even though I don't use them. I love looking at them. This table I found at a thrift store once again and just spray painted it white. This was my old vanity. So these drawers open up for storage right here. And then this one doesn't pull out, but it would like lift up, and there's storage in here as well. So we have loved having this little area. I love taking pictures of this area. Rugs, another thing we get asked a lot about. Ross. I really like Ross for home decor. If you don't have a high-end budget, definitely check them out. And then in my kitchen, I don't think much has changed. I keep it pretty bare in here. I like it that way. My canisters are from Kirkland's, but I don't know if they sell those anymore. I used to have them linked, but the link stopped working. I do have quite a few kitchen tours, so if you want to like see inside my cabinets, I'll give you a sneak peek. They are very organized, so if you want to see how I organize those and how I keep everything, definitely check out those other videos. I'm scanning, making sure. Oh, the island. So I was trying to get this island painted before this home tour, but it just wasn't going to happen. We are going to paint it that same blue as my coffee table in my living room. So hopefully this will be done before like the next vlog, but we never know. It's hard to like set up times with the painter and with me filming in the house all the time, but we are going to get that done. And we're super excited about it. Don't miss tomorrow's video. I have my spring cleaning video if you want to check it out. We get down and dirty. And then I should have a new vlog up Wednesday, and hopefully it will have this painted in it. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join my family. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.